Stolzberg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie the baker. And I hear we're making something very cool today. What are we doing?
Yeah, so we're gonna make Italian meat bread. Just take your dough, just stretch it out.
Just regular pizza dough?
Yes.
I've tried to do this, Frankie, and I am not the best.
As long as the dough is rested, you'll have no problem.
So that's probably what I did wrong. I didn't let it rest.
There you go. You got pepperoni, slicing mozzarella.
So meat, cheese, is that what we're doing?
Yes. This is salami and provolone.
You know what I like about this so far?
Yeah.
It's easy.
Tell me. Yeah, it's quick. It's simple. Something you go home, the kids grab it right away.
Right?
You don't have to fuss. They come home from school, you're good. Finally is the ham. So now you want to do is start rolling like a pinwheel. You push in, make sure you got a little lip, roll, press, and you're done.
You know who would like to do this? Kids, too.
Yeah,
you can get them
do that
involved,
with the kids,
right?
definitely. Little egg yolk.
My kind of painting, my kind of artwork.
Very important now, you want to score it. You want to reach the bottom, all the way down.
That's what makes sure it cooks inside.
Exactly. And we're ready to go with this in the oven. And here it is.
Look at that.
Everything's oozing out, caramelized.
You guys have to go home and make it. So head to our website, news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. Frankie, thank you so much.